When it comes to cleaning the wheels in your car, it's not uncommon to need a handful of different tools, especially if you have multiple vehicles, both cars and trucks. That being said, tools are very expensive, or they can get very expensive if you're running through 1 or 2 sets a year. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to make your wheel tools last a lot longer. First thing you're going to want to do is never use them on a hot wheel. Make sure your car has fully cooled down, especially the brakes, before you get in there and start cleaning. Generally speaking, it's good to let the car sit from anywhere from 30 minutes up to an hour or two. A good rule of thumb is if you see smoke or steam coming off when you spray it with water, it's too hot to wash. The second thing is that you're going to want to take care of your tools just like you would a wash mitt or a wash pad. So make sure you rinse them off after every single use, and make sure you never leave them sitting in a bucket full of water for a long period of time. The third and last thing is to make sure you're buying quality wheel cleaning tools. If you're buying the cheapest possible option on Amazon or some Chinese knockoffs, they're not gonna last as long and they're not gonna be as durable as the genuine ones you can get here at OG. If you use those 3 tips, you'll probably find that your wheel tools last significantly longer and you're not having to replace them nearly as often. As always, you can get wheel tools, wheel buckets, and wheel cleaners at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments or email support@obsessedgarage.com.